Hi everybody, it's Gilly and I've just popped on to show you some incoming postcard hauls that I've bought over the last week or two. So the first one is this one, and I've took the invoice out, but these ones I've ordered from them before and it's PostStone. So that's the address. So it's PostStone postcards, okay, and there's the address there. Now I'm not at my desk, I'm at my table because I'm getting some work done to my dining room, so I'm having to improvise. So I got a couple of freebies. So this beautiful yellow bird against a blue door, and that reminds me of the Ukraine, the yellow and the blue. And this beautiful Easter one, Easter basket with all the spring flowers and the umbrella and the Easter eggs. And these are the ones I've ordered. My goodness. So I've ordered some horses, a gentleman with his owl. I love his hair, so cool, that one. A fox. I'm not really sure what's going on with this fox. I don't know what's going on with its body. I don't know if that's supposed to be its veins or something, I don't know. Bit odd, but I like it. A cat dressed up, so it's a girl's body with a cat's head. The next is absolutely beautiful. It's a rabbit there, looking off to the distance. The next is another rabbit, some flowers on its head. Lovely. The next is a dream catcher. There we go. Lovely, with some flowers. A beautiful dragonfly. And another one. Well, I think it's a dragonfly. I'm not sure. A kingfisher maybe, but it's sort of, you can see it that way, and then if I turn it, see it that way, and it's got different detail to it. Another kingfisher. It's one of my favourite birds. We see them local to us sometimes if we're lucky. I've got a cat with a very funky tail. Look at that. Some sunflowers. Now we ordered 4 of these because I thought they were so beautiful. So yeah, 4 of them. Then a squirrel in the tree with sunshine, perhaps evening sunshine, a winter sunshine. A beautiful butterfly. More butterflies that make a hot air balloon. I've got 2 of them. And then I have a couple of hedgehogs. I have I was going to say unicorn, but it's Pegasus, I think. Let me tell me if it says on the back. Nope. And a unicorn for definite with a lady on the back. So that's the first set, and let me get the second set. So I've got the next set here, which are steampunk. Now I'll tell you the name of the company when I've opened it, because I can't remember. Isn't it lovely? Well packaged. So steampunk, a steampunk sewing machine, MyMagiCard.com is where I bought them. I just could not remember. And they've come beautifully packaged. So, hedgehog with a fir cone. I have a peacock, some more butterflies, another hedgehog looking out of a bucket, a very nosy cat, some deer in the autumn forest, some beach with some flowers, okay, so an airplane. I don't have many planes, so another airplane. It's a good view, isn't it? Then I have a child surrounded by books, I love postcrossing, mail carrier. look at the weather and that poor mail carrier having to carry our mail in hail, snow, sleet, the lot. Another postcrossing with an astronaut. Another postcrossing. Love heart, the mail carrier. A postcrossing. Oh my goodness, my cat's in the room. One moment. So yeah, postcrossing with lots of different flags. I actually got another one of them. A letter with some beautiful flowers. A blue cat type postcard. I love that one. It's called Laboratory. A very naughty kitten looking at the fish. I think that's a blue cat one as well. An old man having a bath and a cat having a chat. Another blue cat. I was actually sent this one with postcrossing, so I'm really happy to have one of my own. I think Bex sent me that one, my friend. Where did I put the cat ones? There. Another one, nighttime view in the winter with a little black cat looking out. A young couple sharing a picnic on a hilltop. A lady and a gentleman sharing an embrace on a winter's evening. A romantic meeting, and it's a steampunk one. Really cool. I love it. With a lighthouse. Another lighthouse one. I didn't have many lighthouse ones, so I fancied something a bit different. A little boy with his cuddly hedgehog, giving it a cuddle there. The next is a shop. Reminds me a little bit of Harry Potter. The young man outside. Another one. Very cool. Let me see the back. Follow me to Livender's one shop. I've probably said that totally wrong because I haven't got my glasses on. Follow me to Weasley's. Yeah, so they are Harry Potter related ones. There's another one. Really nice. And that one's Follow Me to the Library. And then we've got this one. There's Harry with a stick, broomstick, Quidditch. Then I have an astronaut one, really nice. I really like this one here. It looks like the Northern Lights, and then you've got a person just sat there watching that beautiful display. And that one is called Space in My Dream. It's going to focus there. Another one, really beautiful, really nice, night sky. And this one, I think Fernando would probably like that one. And then we have a little bear with his mummy bear, and it's called Bear's Story. Bear, teddy bear with mum. And then we have a poodle bear getting nursed back to health. Another blue cat. I had to get some blue cats because people do ask for them, don't they? He's bought his lady a fish. You will have a fishy on your little dishy. Another one. Getting fed some treats there. Lovely. And then this one. Look at that cat's face there. Oh my goodness, what is she doing? So yeah, I just thought I'd pop on and show you what I've got. I've got quite a few nice blue cat ones now, which is good. Got the romantic couple, got bears, anime, Harry Potter. Really happy with those. We've got like the Northern Lights and astronauts. So yeah, really pleased. So there you go, guys. Just thought I'd show you my new haul. Not that I needed a new haul, but you know. Okay guys, stay well, stay safe and happy until the next time. Bye bye.